American car show. There are tons of food trucks. Whoa, probably can't hear me. There are tons of food trucks over here. And you got cars as far as the eye can see. Mostly American cars, mostly muscle cars. You got the truck right here. I'm parked far away from everybody else because I was trying to get away from the music, which is that way. So yeah, we're gonna walk around, see what we got. Got the whole family here. Yeah, he said it's too bright out here, so let's walk. We are registered. Oh, almost fell. We are registered. Big shout outs to the organizers here, Nikki'ville. I saw her at the front. But yeah, so now we have the kids voting, Kids Choice Award. All right, kids get to vote for their favorite car. All right, you gotta vote for mine. And we got here the one and only Powder Perfections. Got the bike, got the Jeep, got the truck, the other truck. What's happening? Got all the samples here. So if you need something powder coated, this is where you come to. You got all the options. Everything here that you can think of. Got light bars, lug nuts. Look at this. Wow. Wow. All right, Powder Perfections, as always. Yeah, there are stairs on it. See it? It says, riddle me this. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Sheesh. No, you can't go in it. It's somebody's personal truck. Man. All right, we got to powder coat something. We got to do something. Let me know what you think. So I was thinking about this red. You see how this red is on this Ram? What if we do that as an accent color on my truck? I think it might be good. It might not be needed, but I think it's a good idea. Whew. Nice. You see how the wheels are green on the inside? So it's like, it's still chrome, but it's green on the inside. Wow. Look at that. Huh. Stop that. And you got the Super Duty with the blue accents. Wow. That's nice. Very nice, very nice. Powder Perfections always showing out. Everywhere they go, they show out. I've got all classic vehicles, all classic vehicles. Look at that Ford Ranger with a Cobra 428 under the hood. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Like it. You got the Ford F100. You got the green. I'm not sure what year. This is like a 79. It's a 72. Outstanding features. It's a Ford. I like it. That is super clean. $390. That's a take your pick. Which one would you pick? You got the 72. This one, I think it's a 55. I was close. It's a 56. Man, look at that. Or would you pick this one? This one is a, I'm not even gonna guess the year. This one's a 68. I said, what'd you pick? This one, 68, 56, or the 72? Which one would you pick? I want to give a big shout out to Whips by Alex. He brought out the beast. Whew. Gizmo GTR. The right-hand drive. Talk about JDM cars. This is like the ultimate JDM car, y'all. R34 GTR Skyline. Whips by Alex, where you at? I know y'all here somewhere. Your car said, where you at? Big shout out to Whips by Alex, y'all. Check him out on Instagram. He has this car. He also has a Mustang. Yeah. I gotta get one of those, okay? I just looked that up online, y'all. It is $2,000, okay? We're gonna get one, okay? The kids want one, I want one. My wife wants one, we're gonna get one. $2,000, we're gonna get one. I like it. I know it's weird and different, but I love it. They got the exhaust coming out the side. The inside. They got I love stuff like this, y'all. It's so weird, but I love it. Got a Dodge Ram Cummins diesel under the hood. The International, what is it? KB5. Wow. All right, my kids are supposed to be picking their favorite vehicle out here. And they immediately picked, my oldest daughter, Kaylani, picked this one, the El Camino, which is a 1984 El Camino. My other daughter, my youngest daughter, picked this one, which is the winner of Cruising Coweta. I'm gonna pick this one. Woo. Shelby GC350. I almost missed it, y'all. That's right. That's my favorite so far. This guy has his awards from last year. Top 75 from last year. Wow. I see why. He won top 75 last year. Wow. I see why. This is a 86. That engine is not from 86. Nice. All right, we're over here at one of my favorite areas, the Mustang area. Got a Chevy GT500, got a V8. Got a supercharged V8 and another V8. Then if you look over here, look over there, you can't see it, but if over there, there are classic Mustangs. All right, this one at the carbon fiber pack, carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber everywhere. Also has the Cobra racing seats in there. All right. All right, this is a Chevy GT500, the automatic with the paddle shifters. I like it. We are at Little Miss Juicy, and I got a Hawaiian. How you doing? We got a Hawaiian bag, lemonade base. Thank you, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Good. What you get? You got a popsicle. I'm telling you, every time, I'm just 100. I'm completely speechless right now, y'all. Come on, my. This is a '66, the 289. This car's never been on the road up until today. I'm just saying. Look at the interior. Oh boy. So one of these days. Got the spare in the trunk, GT350. Let me just go down the line here. This is a 65, okay. All right. Going down the line, this is a 67 with a 302. Wow. So one of these days you're gonna look, one of these days you're gonna look on the channel and you're gonna see the classic Mustang. I don't know which one it's gonna be. I don't know what year it's gonna be. I can't even tell you when it's gonna happen. But really soon you're gonna look on the channel and you're gonna see a classic Mustang. All right, this is a friend of mine's car, Al. 78 Cutlass Supreme. Cutlass Salon, Rocket 350. All right, you see the evolution of the Cutlasses. One is longer than the other. This one's a year before that one. That was the year, he was telling me that's the year they shortened them out. I didn't even see Dracula. Dracula. So one thing I'm happy they kept these the grill. I'm happy they kept the grill. Now this is what I loved about Cutlasses. They always had the grill embedded into the front clip. I loved where they did that. And I see the next year they kept it the exact same way. So yeah, miss seeing those on the road, y'all. Definitely miss seeing those on the road. Squareback. Wow. I gotta point this one out, okay. The paint definitely caught our attention. Then we saw this. My wife said if I bought one more hot rod, she would divorce me. Some days I sure do miss her. I like it though. After you, yeah. Yeah.
Bubblegum.
Oh, R.I.P. Pontiac.
I like bubblegum.
Pontiac Trans Am. Don't get too close. Had the original wheels. Nice. This is a 1979. Nice. Very nice. Huh? Nice. All right, so we are taking a restroom break here at the Great All-American Car Show. Some amazing cars, amazing people, amazing vendors, amazing food trucks. So if you're in the Newnan area, south of Atlanta, anytime, it's always in late October, early November. If you're ever in the area around this time, come out to the car show. Amazing, amazing time. Classic cars galore, all right? Now, this is a view from the other side of the car show. You can see how many cars are out here. But this is just one side, so it's massive, and there are people still coming in. Oh, and by the way, it's free. It's free. If you want to register your truck, it's $20. But if you want to come in and just kind of look around, it's free. I think we walked the entire thing, didn't we? All right, y'all, one of my dream cars is here, of course. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. This one is white with pink stripes on it. Look at that. Wow, man. Yeah. Oh gosh, the Fastback. I don't know what it is. It's something about Mustang, 65 Mustang Fastback that gets my attention every time I see one. It's wow. The block's pink. I love it. All right, see what else we got. We got a 54 Ford. Nice. We got the Cougar. Oh my gosh. The Black Cat, 1970 Mercury Cougar. Wow. Look at the interior. Oh yeah, you did that. I like it.
I got in one punch.
Wow, man. That's what I love about the Cougars, these tail lights. I love the Cougars. I never see these. The batteries in the back. You never see Cougars. You see Mustangs all the time. You never see Cougars. And I love seeing that, man. Whew. You could smell the leather standing right here, y'all. Whew. Get that carpet. If I'm in the sunlight, hold on. Let me move over. Wow. All right, so we are at Donut Envy. And you can watch them make the donuts in the window. All right, so you can watch them make the donuts right there. You can't see that, but somebody's actually there making donuts. It says watch the donuts. It's pretty cool. So she's getting, which one are you getting? She's getting cookies and cream. Just like Daddy would get. She got cookies and cream. Donut, whoa. So the magic of this event is that it's a car show. They have food. They also have a swap meet. So if you look up here, they have a whole swap meet area. People are selling stuff. They got seats, benches, vintage parts, all kinds of stuff over here. They got bumpers. They got panels. They got radiators, seats. Swap meets. Whole ton of parts.